Assalamu alaikum viewers. आज today's reading is about what's for you in this week. What is happening to you in this week? And there are 3 piles. Which pile you are attracted most? Choose that one. And I am going towards the pile number 1. For those who choose the pile number 1 with this blue color golden ring, your first card is Knight of Fire. This is a Knight of Wands. Okay. You are very passionate, adventurous, self-assured, restless at this time, and you want to meet somebody. You love somebody, and you are going to propose that person. I think so. It's a sudden event that needs immediate attention. Time is of the essence. Think things through carefully. Okay, do it right now and think it carefully, and try to know what is good for you and what is not, and then proceed towards that person. Okay, if that person is good for you. But I am seeing by clarifying that card, the Knight of Fire, that something is wrong in this situation, this relationship. I think that person is not in love with you. They don't want you and don't want to have any home with you or relationship with you. I think that's why you are wondering about that situation, wondering about the situation, and if that person is good for you or not. That with this is the Empress card upside down. They are not sharing their happiness, their life with you. They don't want to have a baby with you also, because this angel have the baby in her hand, and that's why I think that they don't want your family. They I think they totally don't want you, not your also not you, not your family, not anything from you. Okay, they don't want to listen to you, see to you, have any sign from you, and I think they are not able to fight for that situation. Someone is restricting them and telling them that this situation they have to marry you, and they are stuck over here. They can't do anything, but they are starting hate you. They start hating you. Okay, with this other card. Okay, yes, definitely they don't want to care for you, your parents, your family, your child. They don't want to give you happiness, love. Okay, they don't want to make a money for you. They are not the good life partner, and they are not accepting this change from the universe. They are not accepting this change. They are not happy. If you are going to marry that person, or if you already had married that person, then you are in great disaster. They throw your world upside down. Okay, okay. With this 3 of Earth, you need a lot of help from others, from your parents, from your friends, or from others, from some Molvis, or from priest, from pujari, anyone. Yes, a power of creativity, recognition for very high quality work. Be a team player. Okay, yes, if this could happen in your future, they will break your heart, they will break your home, and escape from your life, get away from your life. They don't make your home, they break it. They are not the good life partner. Okay, separation is upside down. I think you can't leave them, and they are breaking your heart. They are continuously breaking your heart, and they are fighting with you. They are telling you you are nothing to do. You are good for nothing. You can do nothing. You are a useless person. Something like this, harsh words. Okay, with this deception card, I want to clarify. I think that their or your face revealing to them. You are you are going to take off your mask, or they are going to take off their mask, because they are protecting themselves from something, and that's why they are releasing, they are opening to you. They are going to open to you in this week. They don't like you, they are telling you that they don't like you, they don't want the home with you, they don't want the relationship with you, and they are going to tell you because they want to protect themselves. Okay, and dress of alchemy, you release your power. Okay, release the harshness from inside from you. Don't take any revenge from them, don't speak a harsh word to them. They are not caring about you. If you tell them anything or say something, some harsh words, they are doing it back to you. They have no restrictions, no boundaries. They are using the harsh words against you. Okay, so don't tell them, don't have the will to revenge, to take a revenge from them. Okay, forgive them. Okay, don't fight with them, don't do anything back to them. Eagle, that person is like an eagle, a hunter. They have no hurt inside them, they had no love, no passion inside them. They are going to hunt you, they are going to kill you. Okay, this person is not good, leave them. This is not the good person for you. I want to clarify that separation part. Okay, so one person want to leave other person. Okay, if this person is a man, your person is a man, then definitely this person wants you to leave that person. Or maybe your father-in-law or your father don't want you to be don't want you, they are restricted you, they tell you that don't leave that person. They are the wall between your and his or her separation. And because this person don't want any family with you, and I think you are surely going to have some profit out of it. I want to know more about it, but this all is for only this week. What is going to happen to you in this week? And in this week this is happening something. You are fighting with them, they are telling you that they don't like you, they don't want to live you, they love someone else, something, anything. Okay, and I want to take some more cards for you. Okay, that person is telling you that someday when the pages of my life, this is you, someday when the pages of my life, and I know that you will be one of the most beautiful chapter. You are telling them that you love them, and they are very most precious to you. And being single does not mean you are weak, it means you are strong enough to wait for what you deserve. Okay, this is for you. That means that being single is not the bad thing. Okay, it means you are strong enough to wait for what you deserve. You can wait for the good person that you deserve. Keep calm and be single, be happy. This is also for you. I am no one to hold you, neither you are the one to catch me. That person is telling you. Okay, what is the next? I hate to go now, I have to go now. That person is telling you that they are going, they are leaving you. I will surely feel or make you happy. You are telling them that I will surely make you and feel you happy. Don't go, stay with me. I don't miss him, I miss who I thought he was. That is you telling them or telling someone else. Okay, I may not be the girl you want, but I am surely the girl that you need in your life. That is what you are telling them, that they should will need you in their life. Okay, I have lose my hurt over you. You are telling them there is no competition because nobody can be me. That person is telling you. Now that person is not with you, they don't want you, they don't want to have a home with you, so they are going. Then let them go. Don't make them, they don't force them to live with you. let them go. At this moment they can't do this, but they are going to do this sometime in the future, and we will see it in the future, next month or next week, what will they going to do. This is all for you, my pile number 1. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about this situation or your some other situation, then go and watch my previous videos. And if you want to see my new videos, you have to subscribe and press the bell icon. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you can get all of my new videos at the time. With lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards the pile number 2. Okay, my pile number 2, your first card is reading faster. As smaller the words are as you read slowly. Okay, don't like a small-hearted person. Be a brave person, wise-hearted, big-hearted person, and you have to look at that person, what they want, what they become now. Sky with star. Yes, something is changing for you, something is good is happening to you. Not this visit is not bad visit. All I need is just one more bad day to show you the demon. Okay, you are telling them, you are planning that if this time they will do something, I will show them. Surely I will show them how I am, which demon I am. Your struggle is gonna make many laugh. Your success is gonna make many cry. Yes, struggle is gonna make many laugh. Your success is gonna make many cry. If that person, as I tell you, that you don't like that person, this person is very tough, this person, maybe this person is not good for you, and don't show that you are hurting by their visit. Show them that you are very happy, you are no concern with them, you are feeling nothing. Okay, or otherwise they will happy to see that their visit will make you confused and make you bad, feel you bad. People from higher creativity are more like to suffer from anxiety. Yes, the creative persons are more suffer from anxiety, and that's why you know that which kind of person is that person, and what will he or she do to you if they come to you. But don't take it like that. Don't show them that you are not happy with their visit. An arrow can only be shot by pulling it backward. So when life is dragging you back with difficulties, it means that it's going to launch you into something great. Yes, you are going to something, because this visit will give you something that you want. Maybe your independence. I think that person, maybe this is someone's in-laws, and they are coming towards you, and your life partner is not as good with you, and that's how with their visit you are going to be independent, you are going to release them. This is also the divorce card. You are going to end the relationship with them, something like that. Okay, when you have crush on someone, your brain overlooks and ignores the flaw of the person, causing them to appear perfect. Okay, yes, at first you don't know the flaws of that person, and now by the passage of time you know that this person is not good for you, you are not happy with that person, and now you want to leave that person, and that's why you are not happy with their relatives. Above will swallow. Someone is coming towards you to help you. The swallow will they had helped Huzur Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam when the elephants coming. This is the Islamic story, and the Muslim know that what I am telling them. The swallow is coming, someone is coming to you to help you, and this situation is not bad. You don't see it, this is a small animal or small situation. This will lead you to your happiness. Okay, she will love herself more. Then this strong woman decides to leave and goodbye. Okay, if you are a strong woman, if you are a woman or you are man, is not the factor. The factor is that goodbye. If they want to leave you, then say them goodbye. Don't let them, they don't beg them to stay with you. Okay, that is good for you to leave that person. You are going to leave your tensions. Determined, be determined person. Be stubborn over this situation. Go and do it. Don't lose that chance for your freedom, towards your freedom. Dancing, joy, happiness, success. You definitely have some success over here. Maybe that person is going to leave you, or maybe they are going to patch with you, and they are a good person now. Or maybe your life partner is changing now with this incident. I challenge or frustration. This is a challenge for you, and you are very frustrated about this. But be a wise person. Be a strong person. Don't show them your weakness. This is Sohar. Okay, the pre-dam meal. You have to sacrifice something for your eternal happiness, success. Healthy sarcasm. It can be insulting and be common. They are quick, witty and creative. Sarcasm will make them unlikable, but they excel at thinking outside the box. Sarcastic people are so good at understanding abstract concepts and solving complex problems. Yes, they are not the good persons. That's why you are not happy with their visit. I can understand that. Now this is all for you for today. My pile number 2. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then go and watch my previous video. And if you want to see my new videos, you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you can get all of my new videos at the right time, and with lots of love, lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going to the reading number 3. For those who choose the pile number 3 with this crystal Matvandiya, your first card is something new is going to happen. You are going to have money in this week, and you are going to make the money in this week. Or scholarly, you are very scholarly, very dependable, patient, successful person. Good news about financial matters. Okay, wanting to do something more challenging, a new area of study. You want to do something more, with stability. Maybe you want to begin some relationship with stability, or you want to begin some new business partnership, something like that, and you are desiring for it. You are very happy in this. You are waiting for this change for a quite time, and you have the money at this time to do it. Yes, you are very passionate about it. You want to do it. You are very brave, very strong, very physically and emotionally, and you are going to do it. With this Age of Wands, Eight of Wands, yes. Eight of Wands, this is going to happen very soon. Very soon you have the news to that you have a money, or you have this person or something. Whatever you are doing, want in this time, at that time you are having this thing, or that person is coming towards you with this events moving at a fast pace. Delays are over, many things happening at once. Okay, then prepare for it. This is going to happen, and you are going to be like a like a king, and you are going to make a money. And this is a Page of Pentacles, and this is a King of Pentacles, and you are going to have a money. You are a practical person, you are a professional person, you are a generous person, and what else, a responsible person, and you know your responsibilities at this moment. And when you have your money, you are going to do what you have to do right now. Okay, with this Ace of Fire, I think you are attracted to someone, and you want to have that person in your life, or some job or something, and now you are going to do it right now. You are making it you are manifesting that thing from quite a time, and now you are doing it. You are going to do it. You are ready for it. An exciting new opportunity and career advancement. Change your life now. Yes, change your life now. Accept it. Accept this change. Magician, just definitely you are doing is, you are manifesting for it, and now this is happening to you. Okay, and with this Seven of Earth. Okay, Seven of Earth, you had you have sowed the plant seed, and now you are waiting for the fruit to come out of that plant, and you are going to have the fruit from that situation, the gain from that situation. Okay, now that card is clarifying that Seven of Earth, you have done you have doing this, you are working for it quite a time, and now you are going to change something, you are going to end something, and you want to start something new with it, and you are very aggressive about it, very you want to do it right now. You are very patienceless. Okay, you are patienceless and you don't have any patience, and you wanted to do it right now. You are moving towards it. You are quite attracted towards that thing. Okay, make an effort, and great love is worth taking the steps that you are guided to take. Okay, take the steps towards that person, or towards your success. And three witches sisters, power of three, clean whatever is whatever is not good for you, whatever is restricting you, bad for your health, for your home, for your money, for anything, for your life. Okay, and ask for help from these three sisters, and they will definitely help you. Okay, maybe this with this card you need help from your friends, and hold strongly to them. Okay, to do this. Okay, and with this 9 number, this is the situation that you want to do from a long time, and now this is happening. This is what inside you, this is what is cooking inside you, and now you are going to blast it. You're going to do it, put it out in front of the world. Okay, which of the end of the word, an important and a new beginning. Yes, definitely with the an important and new beginning, an important and new beginning. Yes, you are if you are separating from someone, you are divorcing someone, then you are divorcing someone and going towards someone else. And if this is something else, you are going to leave your job, and you are going to start your own business, something like that over here. Or you are a very wise person. Whatever you are going to do is good. You know what is good for you, what is not. be wise, see in the darkness of night, uh, think what is good for you, okay, then take the step. That's what I have for you. Just what I have for you now. For now, I hope you like this, and if you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, you have to go and watch my previous video, and if you want to see my new video, then go and then you have to subscribe and press the bell icon for my channel, so you can get all of my new videos at the time. With lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. We will see each other again.